We're back. We're checking out PEPE coin. What do I think about PEPE coin around these price levels? Let's talk about it, because you can see that we're falling out of this massive fallen wedge. We've literally fell through, we've gone short, we've added a zero again. Oh, what a disaster. We're just taking like 10 steps backwards and 5 steps forwards every single time. We're continuously dropping. However, doesn't mean we can't bounce from here, and there are some good technicals here for us. So at the moment, Fear and Greed Index 37 in the market with a $3.11 trillion market capital for crypto, which is brilliant, by the way. We're in a really good space. So don't let all the fun of everything, delude you or make you forget why we're here. Crypto, blockchain, Bitcoin is not anarchy. It is technology, which is here to help us all grow and, create new solutions worldwide. Now, what else has happened recently? I want to show something really, really cool, guys. Look at this. I was at Bitcoin Prague and I met the OG, the freaking one and only Michael Saylor. So we had a little selfie together. How can a man be worth 10 billion and still take the most awkward selfies? I don't know. This guy's really cool though, and it was lovely to meet him. And, I'm sure many, if you did go to Bitcoin Prague, you would have also seen him there as well. Now, can I get a subscribe and a like? I would love that. If I can get a bit closer to 60k subs, that would really make me happy. Now, PEPE coin down 36.29% on the month, down 22% on the week. So this is kind of where we're seeing a bit of a drop in the market. Of course, we got that fear kicking in slowly in the market. Now, when we look at the key area of support, we do have the 0.7877 region. We have indeed lost the horizontal or diagonal support, shall I say. This orange line has been lost. But just looking really where we are right now, yeah, we're sitting down at 31 on the RSI, the relative strength index on the daily time frame. You can see it's impulsed up, back down as well on the weekly time frame. But typically every time PEPE comes down to these lower daily RSIs, as you see, we've got one here now, we've got one here. We can just place a few of these vertical yellow lines. What this is going to do is help us match up the price to similar scenarios. You can see the first time we had it down here was February. The price bounced but then continued downwards. Then we had another one here where if you actually bought here, it came up and it started rising from where we are. So potentially this could also mark a nice dollar cost average region, but for sure it's hard to say exactly. Now, remember guys, nothing in this video is financial advice. Also, if you are buying any cryptos, you can use KSEX down below. Right now, they've got a lovely deposit bonus that you can enjoy. So for example, deposit $5,000, you're going to get 10%, which is $500 extra to trade with. Now, what else can we talk about? Look at this. You're probably wondering, what are these big kind of rainbowy, like wavy lines? Well, this is part of the trade wave indicator that we've now built for traders, built by traders and for traders. So this is fantastic. It helps people know when to go long, know when to go short, helps give people easy to follow, buy and sell signals. Now, this can be yours for $27.50 per month, or become a patron and become a crypto legend, and you're going to get it for free, included with everything else. What can I say about this? Well, recently it triggered a short signal, as you can see by the red little rectangle over here on the 24th of May. And we went short, and we've done that. We've put that through, and it also then triggered a take profit / take partials over here where that red cross is, which is just there. So we've gone short from here down to here, made a 35% leverage short trade, which is beautiful, all thanks to the trading indicators. So you can also check this one out down below, guys. Have a little look at it. Get familiar with TradeWave, which you can see is x1wave.com. And hopefully it will help you also grow. And before we exit this video, what else can we see? Bitcoin has slipped away a little bit in terms of its market cap versus like silver, Google. But I still think in the next year, we're going to see Bitcoin surpass Amazon. I think we'll see Bitcoin ranked the 5th largest commodity in the world. And I'm very, very excited to see that happen. So yeah, guys, if you're new here, subscribe, like, comment. As for PEPE coin, it's not looking good of the month, but we could potentially get a bounce where we are right now. I don't know if it'll be a bounce to a new big high, a new local high, or just to where we were before, but it could be an opportunity for a bit of a bounce and then take some profits. I don't know. It's all speculative, of course. Like I said, if you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, get yourself down below into the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord, which is free to join. We're talking about loads of things in here, guys. You're really going to like it here. You're going to feel very welcome. Great community, hundreds of traders doing their work every single day, sharing ideas. Just, you know, you've got to be inside a community that helps you grow. And that's what it's all about, guys. Community. Anyways, see you soon. Have a great day. Peace.